Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal QR codes in store. This convenient payment method simplifies transactions for both buyers and sellers, making checkout quicker and more secure. You can easily pay with your smartphone, avoiding cash or cards. It is a modern solution designed for everyday purchases, enhancing your shopping experience with a simple scan. This technology makes paying effortless. Paying with a PayPal QR code is incredibly straightforward, taking only a few seconds. First, open your PayPal app and locate the scan icon, which is usually in a prominent spot. Simply point your phone's camera at the QR code the merchant displays at the register. Verify the amount if you need to enter it, and then confirm your purchase. You will see a quick confirmation message, and your payment is complete, all within about 5 seconds. For merchants, accepting payments via PayPal QR codes is just as simple. Open your PayPal business app and generate your unique QR code, which can be printed or displayed digitally. Your customers will then scan this code to pay for their items. You will receive an immediate notification within the app as soon as a payment is successfully processed. Funds usually appear in your account within 1 minute, streamlining your sales process with efficiency. Using PayPal QR codes brings numerous benefits to both shoppers and businesses. This method offers excellent security, protecting your financial information with robust encryption. Transactions are incredibly fast, helping you avoid long lines and making checkout more pleasant. It is also a completely contactless option, which many people prefer for convenience and hygiene. Plus, it is highly accessible, needing just a smartphone and the widely used PayPal app. Enjoy this simple, modern way to pay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.